Simple distillation is a method to separate two liquids with different boiling points by heating the mixture until one component vaporizes, then cooling and collecting the condensed vapor. Unlike other separation methods like filtration or chromatography that separate based on particle size or absorption, distillation relies purely on the difference in boiling points. You know, I love explaining this to my students using a coffee maker analogy. Just like how your coffee maker heats water to create steam that rises and drips through the coffee grounds, simple distillation works the same way, but we catch that vapor and cool it back down. Think about trying to separate water from salt water. The water says see ya at 100 degrees Celsius and floats away as vapor, leaving the salt behind, kind of like a teenager sneaking out of the house while their sibling stays home. When we cool that vapor down, we get pure water without any salt. If you're looking for exercises to test your knowledge, there is a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video so far and want to see more content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.